Screw motivation. Sir, what are you saying, sir? For the last 10 days, no, guys, after results came, every faculty on YouTube, including myself, we have been putting motivation videos. Come on, guys, last 45 days, go study, dominate. Come on, come on, come on. Motivation in Tamil, padingada, padinga. Motivation in Telugu, chadavandra, yadavallara. Motivation in Hindi, jaldi, jaldi, padavo. How many videos I saw, and I myself got exhausted. But I see the comments that students are pumped up and motivated. Sir, what are you trying to say, sir? We are not understanding. Why are you having double standards, sir? You are also putting motivation videos and now you are saying screw motivation. Let me demonstrate, guys. Let's say you're watching Instagram Reels and then you saw a reel about this. Visualize, okay? Rohit Sharma's family could not pay rupees 275 for his school fees. Ayo, oh my god, for that second you will feel like Rohit Sharma could not pay school fees. What a guy. Now he's Indian captain. Look how much money he has. Pumped up for that second. Next reel after you scroll, you are seeing Samantha is getting married to a CA. One reel is coming, rumor, okay. Now you got excited. Ayo, if I study CA and pass means I will get someone like Samantha, super. How long did your motivation last? Few seconds after you saw Rohit Sharma's reel, something else to distract you, Samantha's reel. Exactly what happens. The moment you see these YouTube videos from all of us, I can see in the comments that all of you are pumped up to study, which will last for a few days. Sir, then what do I need, sir? What do I do with this motivation? Strike it off. With motivation alone, you cannot pass your exams. Impossible. Then what do we need, sir? Very simple. You need something much, much stronger than motivation. We call it discipline, guys. Sir, can you explain? Look at all these names over here. Sachin, Ronaldo, Dhoni, Virat Kohli. Do you think all these people are successful with just motivation in their life? They had discipline to achieve all the goals that they had. That discipline will always override. If I have to talk in law terms, discipline is having that power of notwithstanding effort, will override the motivation always, guys. Today you may be motivated again after looking at this, but start working on discipline. Sir, what is discipline, sir? Let me give you a small definition, because we are all CA students. No, we will understand only with definitions. So let me give you a definition. Discipline is the ability to stay committed to your goals. Your goal to become a chartered accountant, to pass in your foundation inter final exams, even when you don't feel like it, even when you don't feel like studying, you still have to keep doing it for your goals. So even when you don't feel like it, it's doing what needs to be done. Even when there is no mood for studying, guys, you have to study. You have to study even when it is tough. So let me read it again. Discipline is the ability to stay committed to your goals of becoming a chartered accountant, even when you don't feel like it. No mood, sir. It's doing what needs to be done. Studying even when it is tough, and it is only those students who will get through. So today, comment on the video saying, are you looking to have motivation to study? No, you need to build discipline to study in the remaining 45 days. That will give you success in the next exams, guys. Thank you. Let me know what more content we need on our channel, and every day I have a discipline of giving everybody in the CA classroom community one video minimum every day, and we have the discipline. If I can have it, you can also have it, guys. So keep going. All the very best.